Just turn, just turn.
Oh, yes. My plan is about to happen. Once he proposes, I will know what his bank details are. Yes. And I will unlive him and take over everything. Yes. Perfect planning. Yes.
Um, sorry, babe, turn first. No, turn. Yes. 1 minute. Sorry. What's this thing?
Okay, this thing that I gave to you is mind reader. I told you that this girl did not love you. This thing used to read people's mind, and it's reading her mind. Everything that she's thinking or planning, everything is here.
I'm hearing it now.
Do you hear anything?
Yeah, I hear some things.
That is it. I used to tell you that this girl is not a faithful.
I wanted doing it in a very romantic way so that you will not see what's happening. But please, I'm coming.
No.
Wait.
It's about to happen. It's about to happen. Oh, yes. Let him just say, marry me. Say it. Marry me. Ask me that question. Oh, my God.
Baby.
Don't worry, it will not happen. It will never happen.
What do you mean it will not happen?
My dear, I will never ask you that question you want me to ask you.
Baby, what do you mean?
Oh, what do I mean?
You were about to propose. What's stopping you?
What's stopping me is you that is stopping me. Your evil heart, that is what is stopping me. So you want to end my life. You are not with me because
God forbid! Me? Why will I end your life, baby? I love you so much.
Not touch me. You love me. I said, okay, fine. Once you propose, you will know my bank account details, you will know my properties, and you will end my life.
How do you know all this, baby? Why? That's not true. Why?
That is what you are thinking. That's what you are thinking out. Thank God for my maid. Imagine she put this thing in my ear. Okay, now let me tell you now.
This maid is mad. What kind of thing is this?
No. She's not mad. She's not mad. What you just said now, she's not mad. She's insulting you in her heart. It will not work. So you want to end my life?
Baby, no.
If you baby me again, I will baby your mouth.
I think you're getting it all wrong. Like, I don't understand. How are you able to read my mind with this thing? Like, but that's not true. That's not what I'm thinking in my mind. Like, there's nothing close to that. Baby, we've been through a lot. Like, we've been together for long. You know how much I love you.
No. Go back. So as it is right now, thank you very much for this you have done. Thank you very much. She has already did her best to warn me about you that you're not good. Thank God I've not asked you the question. Let me put it back in my pocket.
No, baby, don't.
I will see. You see this thing? I will use to break your head. So right now, leave my house.
Let me go on.
No, don't go anywhere. Oh, you want to beat her? You want to fight?
You know I'm not like that.
Hey, you're not like that. Please help me and throw out of my house.
Baby, you can't do that to
I can't
me.
do
I
what?
love you so much. You have to do this.
Is it by force?
We've been together. Like, my friends are already expecting this. You have to do this.
Is it by force?
We are meant to be married, baby. Like, I mean.
So we are meant to marry.
Yes.
So you can end my life and inherit all my properties.
That's
Pursue
not
my
true.
family.
That's not true, baby.
So I leave it now.
You know I'm not
Let
like
me
that,
try
baby.
out.
Baby, don't
Try out for me.
do that.
You
Don't
can
do
go.
that.
You can go.
Baby, you know I'm meant for you. Baby,
You
don't do that. Baby, stop.
Go.
You don't touch me with that your stinking dirty hand.
My friend, go.
Baby,
be going.
You come begging me, oh.
Me beg
You
you.
come begging me.
Me beg you.
So don't go spoil my plan. Now, what kind of stupid human being is that? Rubbish.
How did you get this thing?
I inherited from my grandfather.
I was hearing everything loud and clear as if she was telling me what she wants to do to me.
Yeah. I told you that this girl is not good for you.
She said she will end my life once she gets married to me. She will get to know all my bank details, all my bank accounts.
Ezioku.
The last one I put in my head was she was insulting, say this evil nonsense maid.
Hey.
Thank you very much, you.
Thank you, sir.
So nowadays we can't find love again in this country.
Okay, so.
Thank you. I will just keep this. Thank you. Hope you are not listening to my thoughts. So this is all you have been using to hear everything I've been saying in this house. Eh?
Oga, why you won't fire me now?
I'm not they fire you. I'm not firing you.
Oga, you don't
From now henceforth, don't use this thing again in my house. Go inside. Let me go to my work.
Oga, you
Remove it from your ear.
Oga, you won't lock me.
Go inside.
Oga,
Go inside. Thank you for saving me. I'm not sacking you.
Oga, don't lock me.
I'm not locking you. Remove that thing from your ear. What nonsense. But I should collect this thing and be using it in my office to know people's mind. That's what I'll do. And bring that thing, come.